Hey everybody, this is Matt Richards with BZBGEAR, and today we're going to be taking a look at a couple of our wireless HDMI transmitters. So we'll start all the way on the left hand over here. We have our regular Air4Kast. It comes in a transmitter and receiver version. We actually have these hooked up to some of our gaming consoles here to just show off that they're running. But this will do 4K 60 up to 164 feet. We recommend that you don't run this through a wall. So obviously we want to have it line of sight. Doesn't mean that you can't get a signal through it, but you might run into some issues if you're trying to run that signal through a wall. However, there were a few things that kind of happened with the Air4Kast. Number one, latency wasn't as good as it could be, and number two, some people want to run more than one signal. That's where our Air4Kast MKX comes in. So this is going to be the same 4K 60, but with the MKX, you're going to be able to run up to 4 receivers instead of the singular receiver. So much better for larger distributions. And then finally, we have our Air4Kast Pro, which is this model here. And this is going to be kind of our top-of-the-line version. Same 4K 60, however, latency is extremely low on this. We're talking, I believe, 14 milliseconds or lower, which is really awesome. You're not going to really notice it while playing games or anything along those nature. But also, you can do KVM on it. So you can also do wireless KVM as well as extension. So those are a couple of our offerings here at BZBGEAR. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more content at rAVe for InfoComm 2026.